Okay, see girls, good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to do one more activity of cell membrane. Yesterday we have done with a potato, and today we are taken the 2 raw eggs. In the 2 raw eggs we have taken the acid in 2 jars, and we have inserted the 2 raw eggs in the acid. After 3 to 4 hours, what we can able to observe that the shell has been dissolved in the HCl, because here we want only the outer covering of the egg. So we could not able to take the outer covering. If we break the shell of the egg, the outer covering also will break. So there we could not able to see the process of osmosis. Over here. So we have dissolved with the dissolve the shell with the help of acid. So after that we have cleaned the with water we have cleaned the eggs, and we have taken the saturated water in one glass, and the other unsaturated dilute water in the other one. In both of them we have kept the 2 eggs. Okay. Yes. So after some time we are going to see that the egg over here in the saturated one will be shrink off, because whatever the amount of water, what is the materials which is present in the egg, the concentration of that material is lower than the compared to the water which the glass contain. Okay. So the molecules flow from the lower concentration to higher concentration. So what will be going to we are observing? So we will observe that the egg will be shrink off due to the higher concentration in the water. So whatever the materials will there, that will be shrink and the egg becomes smaller. Here in case of plain and dilute water, unconcentrated or unsaturated water, we have kept the egg. The egg has more concentration compared to the dilute water. So here what is happening? Through the osmosis process, the molecules flow from the lower to higher. So water will enter into the egg. And the egg bulges. The size of the egg bulges. So we are going to see this after 2 to 3 hours. Very good.